Hey there, in this video I'm going to compare the specs of the Mars 5 Ultra with the Mars 4 Ultra, so let's start. So when you're going to look here on the printing speed, tie, LCD screen, tie, then you're going to have resolution, tie, XY resolution, tie, ZX accuracy, tie, build volume, tie. The weight is better for Mars 4 Ultra, the dimensions also for Mars 4 Ultra. The light source, you're going to have it better with Fresnel lens. But it's like also good for the Mars 5 Ultra. Then the head dissipation is both good. Then you're gonna have operating system self-developed. Here is powerful Linux OS, but it really depends. Like I can really say which one is better in this. Connectivity, look here, you're gonna have USB Wi-Fi cluster printing, but here you're gonna have also USB Wi-Fi. Then you're gonna have touchscreen, which is both. Then you're gonna have the AI camera, which is better for Mars 5 Ultra. You're gonna just have advanced features there. So then you're gonna have the power loss resume, printing, overheat protection, tilt release innovation, real-time monitoring, time-lapse photography. Then you're gonna have this is like air purifier. This is like for the Mars 4 Ultra, quick release design. Then you're gonna replaceable lock screws, dual pore spouse resin tank, rebar with drip tray. So you see a lot of just you're gonna have with the Mars 5 Ultra a lot of features. Then also the slicing software. You have also on both you're gonna have G2 box, but here you're gonna have Voxel Dance Tango for the Mars 4 Ultra, and that's pretty much it. I just want to make that like really specs fast comparison. Is that in many regards you're just gonna get with the Mars 5 Ultra more features. It really depends if you actually need that, right? So check it out on the side if you actually look on those things. If you do, I mean that's the way to go. But just I encourage you to know what, trust your own intuition. Like if I'm going to tell you the reality, you don't have to watch any comparisons at all. You just can like close your eyes and just feel which product is right for you. Just open both on your screen, close your eyes and feel it. Which one you like more? Maybe you don't have to have description why you should buy that. But let me tell you, I don't refund any products. In my entire life, I don't even think that I just refunded something. I just look on the product and I just feel it, and I always know if it's going to be good or no. It's like that. It's really simple. But we completely forgot that you can know everything. Like with your intuition, you can just know everything. But we forgot. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.